did you ever go to you ever in Samoa? You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so I was born and raised in American Samoa.
Mm,
And that's where I was born and raised. And I lived in Malaeimi, close to Uli, for almost my whole life. So growing up there, I went to Manmalo Baptist School, elementary school, and I grew up in the church, you know. But my parents, my mom, she's from Upolu. She's from Kongafufu and Alexa. So my dad is from Oregon. He's Irish. So he
mm.
came down during the Korean War, and that's where he met my mom over there in the mid 1900s, something like that. And yeah, but I was born and raised in American Samoa, and that's why telling people on TikTok, like some of them believe me, some people that do know me from Samoa, yeah, but a lot of them that the youngsters they don't really know. But that, yeah, but that's where I'm from, born and raised, man.
Yeah, they don't realize that the ones have different looks, you know, not only Palans, Meolis,
Ah,
Mexican, Asians, you know what I'm saying?
that's how. So
But
liya kalang
you guys are the ones that really have the where people are really on it because especially when you're speaking your language, you smile, you're mangingo for Samo. Like you
I
say you from
feel
Malaimi, man. Mm,
ah, ay, almemari pa kilo kakaya usamo, especially usamo ngaya
mm,
America. Even back home when I go home once in a while, hindi ka kung ulam sabo ko mo sabo. Kaya nga ifalong ako, life Samoa.
yeah.
Life pa lang me, oh hi. Kasi nga, wow Samoa. So, pakulong lang
Mm.
yung na Samoa. So, and then a lot of them here find out that I am Samoan. So that's when they get kind of cool with me. But for the most part, they're very judgmental. A lot of the Samoans out here, but hey, it comes with the territory. You know what I'm saying?